This AI cat channel is getting millions of views by sharing simple videos about cat stories. According to Social Blade, the channel makes between $2,000 and $35,000 a month, and this channel is started just 5 months ago, and it has already got 85 million views, and it is getting almost 10 million views per month. And trust me, making this kind of videos takes less than 10 minutes per video, which is insane. Let's watch some of their videos. As you can see, this type of content is easy to make but very engaging, and right now there isn't much competition. So basically, this video is going to be the best video you'll ever see on the internet about cat videos. I'll tell you exactly how to make cat videos so good you can't stop going viral. In today's video, I'll tell you 3 AI tools to generate cat A images. But first, if you observe these shorts, then every shorts have a simple visual story, which is very necessary to hook the viewers till the end. So, for story we've 2 options. First option is using ChatGPT, but honestly, ChatGPT gives you very generic stories. I asked ChatGPT, please write me 5 different stories of cat which is bullied at first and have happy endings. Now read every story and find one that is more captivating to you. Here, I'll go with the story number 1. Okay, now, we'll need some detailed prompts to generate them, so that our images will look awesome. But don't worry, our best friend, ChatGPT will do that work for us. I told ChatGPT, I like the story number 1. Please divide it into 5 different scenes and give me detailed image prompts for each scene. The cats should be chubby, furry, and very colorful, vibrant, having big, beautiful, and detailed eyes, 16K, Disney, Pixar, 3D animated, and hit enter. As you can see, ChatGPT itself generated a picture for me. Actually, this picture is very good, but we don't want pictures from you, buddy. We want prompt. So I again said, the photo was nice, but I want at least 3 prompts for generating images like this. Okay, now we have 3 detailed prompts for each scene. Now let's generate the images. We'll use 3 AI tools to generate images for each scene, and we will find out which one is the best option for you. The first AI tool is Ideogram AI. First, you need to sign up, of course. And this is the interface of Ideogram AI. And now let's paste our prompt here. Your aspect ratio should be 16:9, and make sure to check these settings right and hit generate. So as you can see, these are some awesome images of cat generated by Ideogram AI. You have 4 different options to choose, and this one is really cool. Now to download the image, click on this download button. Let's do the same for other 2 prompts as well. So I wrote another prompt and hit generate. As you can see, we have to wait for a few seconds, and to skip the wait, we have to upgrade by paying $7 per month for basic plan and $16 per month for plus plan. But don't worry, for free plan, we'll get 10 slow credits per day, which will generate up to 40 images per day. That's awesome. So, these are some of the awesome images created from Ideogram AI. Although this AI tool is nice, but let's check our second AI. Now, the second AI image generator is Microsoft Bing AI. So let's go to Microsoft Bing AI and paste our prompt. I'm already signed in, but at first you'll need to sign up with your Microsoft account. Trust me, this one is my favorite tool for generating images. But let's see what type of images we'll get from Microsoft Bing AI tool this time. So paste your script here and hit on create. Within few seconds, it gave us the best ever looking, vibrant images. We have 4 different options here. I'll choose one and save. But these images are in square format. We want in 16:9 format. But don't worry, simply click on this resize button, and then landscape, then after a few seconds, you'll get this kind of wide images. Now this is so awesome. Simply click on this download button to download the images. Now I'll do the same for other 2 prompts as well. So these are some images generated by Microsoft Bing AI. Now the last AI image generator is Leonardo AI. I personally like this one because you can animate your images directly by this AI. But for now, we'll only generate images. If you check my description box, I have a link for this AI tool. You can click on that link and come to this website. Now first thing you can do is click on image creation. I'll show you how you can animate your images and go viral, because as of now, no one is doing that. So if you animate images, you'll definitely stand out among the rest of others. So again, I copied my prompts and pasted here. Then on the left side, click on Preset, click on Concept Art, and on Preset Style, click on Character Sheet, and Image Dimension 16:9, and Number of Images 4. These are the settings you need to adjust. After all this, click on Generate button right here. As you can see, our image looks perfect. If you want to download this, click on this download button right here. Now I'll do the same steps for rest of the images. Finally, these are the images generated by Leonardo AI. These looks awesome. But I personally like the images generated by Bing AI. They're more colorful and vibrant. Step 2. Direct edit your images. So I show you 3 AI tools to generate AI images. You can choose whatever you like. I personally like the images generated by Bing AI, so I'll select images from Bing AI. Let's import all these images into CapCut. Since we're making YouTube shorts, we'll select ratio 9:16 from here and drag our image to fill the screen. Then I'll apply some transitions to make it more engaging. Now, music is the most important part of this kind of video. Finding the right music for your video is very difficult. But don't worry, simply go to YouTube and search for cat music. Click on any shorts video, then download the shorts using this website. Download in any quality because we will only use audio. Now import this into the CapCut timeline. And select the video and right-click from mouse. Click on Extract Audio and then delete the video. Now that's it, your video is ready. I only have 3 photos here, so my video is about 10 seconds long. You can add more photos and increase length of your YouTube shorts. So after all these steps, here's our final output. Now if you like the video, then click on Export button right here, keep all the settings by default, and click on Export. But this is what everyone is doing, simply making this kind of video and uploading. Nothing new, and that's probably because you'll not get any views, and eventually dead. Since you came to my channel, it's my duty to provide you some extra values so that you'll subscribe to me. And I'm sure many viewers already left the video, so this part will be for my special viewers. Okay, let's get into it. If you want to stand out among all the creators out there, then you've to do something different, even though it'll require little extra effort. So, here's what you can do. First, you can tell story by using your own voice or any AI voice. Story will hook the viewers and make them watch long, as well as there will be no issue regarding monetization in the future. But what if you don't want to add voiceovers and just want to add music like the others do? Don't worry, you can stand out by applying the second method, and that is to use AI to animate your cat videos. Instead of using simple cat photos, if you animate those videos, then you can make more engaging for your viewers. So how can you animate the photos? You can animate using Hyper AI. Let's go to Hyper AI. Click on Image to Video, select the photo you want to use. Then again, go to ChatGPT and copy the scene and paste here and click on Create. Now it is generating your video in the background. I'll do the same steps for other scenes too. So after a few minutes, here are some of the animated images. Now you can edit these animated cat videos and upload on YouTube. Make sure the title is catchy and upload at least 30 shorts in 30 days, then you'll definitely get results. And if you want to use voiceovers in your videos so that there will be no any issues in the future for monetization, then here's the video about my top 3 favorite text-to-speech tools that you can use and monetize your channel. Click on this video right here to watch that. So, basically, I have given you the full AI course on how to make cat videos so that you can go viral. I hope you liked the effort I have put on this video. I won't say to subscribe to the channel, but please at least leave one comment on my video.